So now let us see the NMOS pseudostatic RAM stick diagram here. So here we have, we can see 3 pass transistor here. Okay, you can see 3 pass transistor. This is the one pass transistor, and is another pass transistor, and is another pass transistor. 3 pass transistor here. So here also we can see these 3 pass transistor. You can see here, this is the one pass transistor, right, and right, this is right pass transistor, and for the read here, so this is another pass transistor, and here one more we have, this is another pass transistor here. So how the transistor, of course here transistor is formed, you can see here, this is poly. So here is the poly for this pass transistor, here is a poly for this transistor, and this is a poly for this transistor here. Okay. And then two back-to-back converted inverters. You can see this back-to-back converted, connected inverter. So this is as it is a NMOS pseudo static RAM here, NMOS. That is why here we have taken a depletion mode of transistor. Okay, as we can see here, implant as well as a poly, right, and by here output of this has been connected to input to this here. See, output of this one is connected to input, as it is a NMOS, hence for N enhancement mode of NMOS transistor we are connecting here, right. So this is what the connection. I will show that, of course that will take a metal, right. So this is a metal connection, this is the metal connection, means output of this inverter is connected. I will show here. Okay, output of this one is connecting to input of this. So the where we have, how we are drawing this in schematic, means this is how drawing here. Here now you can see this. So here here it is a depletion mode of okay, depletion mode. Here is a enhancement mode here, right. So enhancement mode here, depletion and enhancement mode is here, back-to-back connection. So how transistor is forming, of course we can make it to here. See, for this pass transistor, okay, poly crossing the diffusion, this is a one transistor, okay, and here once again we have taken diffusion completely this path. So right, poly crossing the diffusion, okay, this is for this, for phi 2 here. Okay, this is another pass transistor, another for this pass transistor. So once again the poly, this poly is crossing, this is a one more diffusion, you can see, right. You can see clearly here, green color, it is a diffusion here, and here also. Why I am making this one here is, see, diffusion here, this is a right signal, right NMOS pass transistor. Here it has been connected to bus, hence we are taking the connection across this one, the diffusion. Okay, this point we are connected here, okay, and other point, other end has been connected to input of the first inverter. See, this is, where is the input here, this is the input, right, this is the poly of NMOS poly here. So this is the inverter, right, this is the poly here, this is the here you can see, this depletion mode here. Okay, this is what depletion mode here, and this is enhancement mode. Here we have taken the poly. Of course we can take the here once again diffusion. Is completely right. So this is a diffusion path here. So poly crossing the diffusion, hence this this connection. Okay, for the first inverter, first here we are taking the we are taking the pass transistor, right pass transistor. One end is connected to bus, so we are connected to bus here. Other end is connected to input of the inverter. So input of the inverter nothing but here NMOS. For this we have to connect enhancement mode of NMOS here. So we are connected to this point here. Okay, now output of this inverter should be connected to input of this inverter, where we have connected that one. So output is this point. So output is connected to input of this inverter here. So here nothing but this is a poly here, right? This is a poly and this is a poly here. Okay, so and connection path is always a metal, hence I have taken a blue color, blue color here, metal here. So output of this inverter to input of this. So output of this inverter to input of this NMOS enhancement mode here. Okay, so next connection goes here. Output of this one is has been connected to one part other of the pass transistor, RD of the pass transistor. See here, where is the output of this one here? This is the output, right? This point, sorry, it is a diffusion, so we have to take a green here. So here this goes the output point, right? So output here, continuation here, there is no contact point here, nothing but there is no connection between metal and the diffusion. Okay, so here first here we have given here, and then the output of this one, okay, we are giving to the input, across this point here. Okay, across this point, this output of this has been connected to one of the read pass transistor here. So read pass transistor is here. So I will show here poly. This is a poly, right? This is poly, and this poly is a poly here completely. Okay, so here poly crossing the diffusion, nothing but here pass transistor of read here. So this is the pass transistor of here, and output of this one is connected here. This point has been connected here. Okay, this point we have made here. So finally this path we have done. First connecting to bus, NMOS to the input of the inverter, output of the inverter. So here output of the inverter is connected to next input here, and then output of the second inverter has been connected to read NMOS pass transistor. Okay, this much it is clear, right? So now here the bus here, bus is nothing but is just to for it carries the data here, that's it, nothing but a metal. So we will make it as with a blue line, the completely metal here. This line is a metal here. Bus we are taking, why blue line is, it is a communication path, that's it. It will so hence we make it as a metal here. Okay, and see already we have connected this. Of course two pass transistors have been connected, that is read and write. So read here, this is a read, diffusion has been connected here, and the write, read here, sorry, here read connection we have made, and the write connection we have made, right? To the bus only two connections, contact points we have to make here, one from the read and another from the write. So here we have made that, right? Here we have made this black color. Take two contact points. Now let us go for this path here now. Okay, this path. So here we can see this transistor, one end of this is the input, of course already we have written here, right? This we have written phi 2 input of gate here. One end has been connected to input of one inverter, and other end connected to other end of the other end of the inverter. So you can see here here diffusion is there already. Okay, this green color one here goes, here diffusion is already is here, right? And in this diffusion poly is crossing.